KC Tile Restoration, South Florida's tile, grout, and marble restoration specialists. We deliver what others promise. Serving Palm Beach, Broward, Martin, and St. Lucie Counties since 1996, KC Tile Restoration offers a vast array of services to help you clean, renovate, or repair your tile, floors, showers, pavers, and more. KC Tile is top-rated within the industry, and our team is highly trained, professional, and courteous. We only use the best materials and cleaning products available, which is why we are able to offer a 10-year guarantee on most of our work. From residential and commercial to interior and exterior, our crews are equipped with innovative cleaning and restoration methods to make your space like new. Interior services include tile cleaning, restoration and repair, along with marble restoration, Hallow Tile, buckling tile, Mexican tile, grout sealing, shower repair, soft wall repair, inject, floor, and more. We also offer exterior services including paver pressure cleaning and sealing, tinting pavers, removal of efflorescence, and more. At KC Tile, we are dedicated to the highest quality of service and customer care. All of our projects are treated equally and with the same amount of dedication and care. Let us get started on your next project today. Visit kctile.com to learn more.